Will suffer from back, neck, or any joint issues should not participate in the Dragon's Tail coaster. Guests with pre-existing cardiac conditions, asthma, diabetes, epilepsy, previous injuries, or any other medical condition must take caution. In preparation for your ride, please note the following. Sunglasses and other personal items must be secured. No loose items permitted. Lanyards must be kept inside your shirt. Hair that is shoulder length or longer should be tied back in a bun. No cameras may be used while operating the sled. No food or drink on the ride. The maximum weight per cart is 375 pounds. If the track is wet, the maximum weight per cart will be reduced to 330 pounds or less. The operator will advise. The driver must be a minimum of 12 years old, at least 54 inches tall, and be able to operate the braking system. If taking a passenger 5 to 15 years, the driver must be a minimum of 18 years old. A passenger must be a minimum of 5 years old and a minimum of 38 inches tall. When you are ready to begin your adventure, you will board the coaster cart for transportation to the top of the mountain. The tour rider should be seated at the back. The view for the driver is not obstructed. Once seated, please fasten your seatbelt and remain seated until the completion of the ride. Your arms and legs must be kept inside the coaster car, and the driver must keep their hands on the brake levers at all times. Feet cannot be used to operate the car. Passengers must keep their hands on the central handlebar. Do not drive too slow and only stop in an emergency. Push forward to go. Pull back to slow and brake. Keep 80 feet from the sled in front of you. If the track is wet, keep 160 feet from the sled in front of you. If you see the coaster car in front, you are too close. Slow down until you create the appropriate distance. Slow down when indicated by the coaster team. When you get to the end of the track and see this sign, slow down to a walking speed. We want you to have a fantastic experience, but your safety is our main priority. Be sure to follow all directions given by the coaster team. There are inherent risks when participating in any ride, device, or attraction. Participants have a duty to exercise good judgment and act in a responsible manner while using the ride or attraction. Obey all written or oral warnings and properly use ride or attraction safety equipment provided. Thank you for choosing the Dragon's Tail coaster. The coaster team will direct.
It's gonna break for you.
Okay, thank you.
Watch out for your hat though.
I will. Here we go. Dragon's Coaster, Labadee. 100. Oh my goodness, this is high. Is Jane behind me? I can't see. track down there. Whoa! Those goats! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, jeez. What a view. Yeah. Hello. That was fun. That was faster than I remember.
Oh, you were here before?
Yeah, years ago. Yeah. That's it? Let go?
That's it.
Thank you, sir. Okay. It's good? Fast, eh? That was good. I enjoyed that. A lot faster than I remember.
Yeah, it was very fast.
I actually braked quite a few times because it kind of scared me a little bit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Share it with somebody you like. And don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other.